आप खुद से बना सकते हो अपने घर पे। इट शुड गो विथ ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ आउटफिट्स, मतलब अगर आप जीन्स पहन रहे हो, अगर आप शॉर्ट्स पहन रहे हो, इफ यू गोइंग टू द बीच, इट शुड बी वन साइज फिट्स ऑल। Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gauri Gizre and on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So do check my channel out, and if you find something that you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with our today's video. I have tried something different. I mean, for the longest time I've been posting videos related to makeup and skincare, and I thought it is high time I start videos related to fashion and lifestyle as well. What better than starting with an outfit from scratch video, right? And this one is so simple कि ये आप खुद से बना सकते हो अपने घर पे, या फिर आपको अगर कुछ भी स्टिचिंग नहीं आती होगी तो मे बी योर मॉम और डैड who might know basic stitching can help you out. अगर आपके पास ओढ़नी हो आपकी मम्मी की तो भी चल जाएगा. I think that would also work. So I have this cloth with me. I don't know the type of fabric that this is, but it feels very soft and it is not transparent. We are going to make a very beautiful kimono shrug. मुझे personally बहुत ऐसा ढीले ढाले कपड़े डालना बहुत पसंद है. I don't like body hugging clothes because I don't know, I don't feel comfortable in those. और अगर कभी मैंने sleeveless पहना हो, or maybe you're wearing a type of clothing that might not be appropriate to where you stay or the area that you might be visiting, anything. So temporarily you can just pull over a jacket or shrug and you're good to go. So coming back to the kimono shrug is kind of a Japanese इंस्पायर्ड क्लोथिंग. अगर आप उनके कपड़े देखोगे वो उसी टाइप के होते हैं. इट्स जस्ट लॉन्गर वर्जन. मैंने ऑनलाइन भी देखे बट आई फेल्ट इट इज way too expensive for just a shrug. I mean, some were like 2000, 1000, 900. The pricing doesn't make sense. So I thought, why not try it by myself? But of course, me being me, मुझे stitching वगैरह कुछ नहीं आता, मुझे basic भी नहीं आता. But I took help from my dad and he was more than happy to help me. The idea behind the kimono shrug was you should be able to wear it indoors as well as outdoors. अगर आप उसे party में भी डाल के जाओ, it should look good. It can be worn as an add-on to the party wear outfit also. It should go with all sorts of outfits. मतलब अगर आप jeans पहन रहे हो, अगर आप shorts पहन रहे हो, if you're going to the beach, वहाँ भी चल जाएगा. And it should be one size fits all. Did we successfully pull it off? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Here is a small illustration for better understanding. The dimensions are 60 inches into 47 inches. That should be the dimensions of your fabric. And then you have to fold the rectangular fabric twice and cut it in L shape as per your sleeves requirement. And when you unfold it, you have to cut as per shown for the front opening. Stitch it from the sides and voila, it's ready. My dad is a professional, by the way. So our family business was into tailoring once upon a time. मेरे दादाजी के time पे. And he learned tailoring from my दादाजी. And my dad is specialized into gents tailoring, and even though being a specialized gents tailor, he never limits himself and he loves to experiment new things. और बचपन से ही पापा मेरे लिए कुछ ना कुछ बनाते आए हैं. कैस्पर वहाँ बैठ के अपने मजे ले रहा है. पापा को जब मैंने किमोनो श्रग का वीडियो बताया, he was more than happy to join in. And we decided, even though it is a Japanese style clothing, we will give it some Indian touch with beautiful lace and tassels. I think किमोनो श्रग का ट्रेंड कुछ साल पहले आया था और तभी भी मेरा बहुत मन था लेने का, but it was way too expensive everywhere. तो अभी 2-3 दिन पहले मैं ट्रेन से आ रही थी, मैंने प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक लेडी को किमोनो श्रग पहने हुए देखा and it was looking very nice. It was extremely simple, no design, nothing. It was a sheer cloth और बहुत ही delicate सा लुक दे रहा था. तब भी जाके मेरे अंदर का किमोनो श्रग वाला सोया हुआ भूत वापस जाग गया. And on the very same day I decided to action it this time. और मैं ऑफिस से घर आते वक्त टैसल्स और लेस लेके ही आई. लेस एक्चुअली थोड़ी कम पड़ गई थी, मुझे अंदाजा नहीं आया. मैंने सिर्फ 2 मीटर की ली थी, बट लेटर ऑन आई वेंट एंड बॉट अनदर 2 मीटर. तो पहले लेस से फ्रंट ओपनिंग पे लगाने का प्लान था, फिर डिसाइड किया कि यार स्लीव्स और एंड्स पे भी लगाया तो बहुत सही दिखेगा. एंड द श्रग इज रेडी. पूरा प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग दिस किमोनो श्रग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। आई नो ये इतना सिंपल है, आप खुद भी बना सकते हो या किसी पास के टेलर से बनवा सकते हो। अगर आपकी मम्मी या पापा को स्टिचिंग आती होगी, इवन दे कैन डू इट फॉर यू। आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। आई लव्ड एंड enjoyed मेकिंग दिस वीडियो। एंड नहीं, मैंने पापा को प्रेशराइज करके या परेशान करके नहीं बिठाया एक बनाने के लिए। ही वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी टू डू दिस फॉर मी एंड आई एम फॉरएवर ग्रेटफुल फॉर हिम। मतलब मैं कुछ भी चीज, if there's anything I put my mind on and if I want to make it happen, I share it with my dad and we both collaboratively make sure that it happens. Another example is the background that you see behind. तो ये जो yellow और white का wallpaper है, this, I mean, if you've been following me from the very start of my channel, अगर आप मेरे बहुत पुराने वीडियोस देखोगे, बहुत भी नहीं यार, 1-2 साल पुराने, आप अगर मेरे 1-2 साल पुराने वीडियोस देखोगे and you will realize that there was nothing over there. It was white and it was not even bright white. It was a weird white जो बहुत dull हो गया था. But later on we did the wallpaper thing to this entire space और 4 चांद लग गए. मतलब यहाँ पे बैठ के देखने को भी इतना अच्छा लगता है. And yellow as a color is such a happy color. It literally gives positive vibes. So yeah, this is it for today, you guys. Let me know what did you feel about this video. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video because I personally loved and enjoyed making this video. And let me know if you want to see similar sort of content. I would love making something like this again and again. If there's anything that you want me to try, outfit ho ya makeup ho, skincare ho, do let me know in the comment section below. I will make sure that I do my best to make it happen or make a video on it. Huge thanks to my dad for making this happen. उनकी वजह से ये हो पाया. Last but not the least, do follow me on my Instagram account. We have a lot of fun over there. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. So check it out, follow me over there and I will see you in my future videos. So bye bye, take care.